Hello, Munchkin. Hello, Munchkin. Can you see those teeth? Can you see those teeth? My cousin has all the problems. Oh, look at those teeth. Morning, morning, morning. Woo! Woo! Look, it's you. That's you. You gonna say hi? Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Woo! So we have woke up nice and early, haven't we, Nia? It's 7 a.m. 7 a.m. I am going to the gym. New year, new me and all that. Lol, I am joking, by the way. I'm doing the classic January, going to the gym, trying to get myself back on track in losing a little bit of baby weight and just generally being healthy mind, healthy body. My partner Laval, he's on a night shift currently, so he's literally just finishing, so he's going to be back in about half hour, so we need to go and get ready. So he's going to, bless him, he's just done a 12-hour shift, but he's going to come back and we're going to go to the gym together, because it's a two-person job these days, because we have a child, we have a baby, and you need looking after. My gym does have a crash, but it's not on as early as now, and we worked out that it works well to go when he finishes work. So we're gonna go. Our gym has a cafe, so one of us will go in the gym and one of us will look after Munchkin, and then we'll swap, and the other person will go in the gym, and then the other person will then look after Nia. So yeah, it is a bit of a time consuming process. We'll only do like 45 minutes each, so we'll hopefully only be like an hour and a half.
Properly. There you go.
So change of plan, he had a really bad night shift, so bless him, he's staying in, he's just going to watch Nia for an hour and I'm going to go to my gym class. I've just had a pre-workout and my lips are starting to tingle already, so let's get a move on because I don't want to be driving and like having the shakes. If you've ever taken pre-workout, you'll know what I mean. So let's go! Back to 2 on 2, pass. You're gonna watch Mummy in the shower. So I've been selling like loads of stuff on Vinted and I've sold like 4 items this morning, which is mad. So I'm gonna go and send them. Does anyone else just love Vinted though? Like I do put all my stuff on there for like really cheap, but everything just sells. It's so much better than Depop. So I've got a super bad mum lemma to share with you guys. So currently pushing a different pram. So we went home for Christmas and we drove all the way to my mum's house, which is in Cardiff. And we had so many presents for Nia, it was crazy. The car was just filling up. And I don't know what is wrong with my brain since having a baby. If anyone else feels the same, I obviously know like they call it like baby brain. So like, I am just so thick. Actually, I don't know if it's like not working at the moment, so I'm just not thinking enough, or I'm thinking about too much with like Nia. Like it's actually
was mind-blowing. Like, we left the pram. My mum rung us and we'd been driving for 2.5 hours because we live in Manchester, so it's like a 4-hour drive, and I'd forgotten the pram. I burst out crying. The pram is my way of leaving the house. Oh my gosh. So my partner Laval went on Facebook Market, bought a second-hand pram, bought the whole travel system, cleaned it, did everything, and this is the finishing touch. So this is Nia in her little, it's actually quite a nice pram as well. So it's Silver Cross. It was a bit dirty when we bought it, but he's proper cleaned it and it looks great. 70 quid. So I reckon we could sell it on when we get our pram back, sell it back on for probably the same amount or maybe a little bit more because we've washed it. So she doesn't fall asleep in this one as much though. It started raining, so we're now in Aldi or Lidl getting food because as the mum brain continues, I didn't bring the rain cover for the pram, so God knows how long it's going to rain for. So we're just going to take our time and have a little bit of a shop. Where's Nia? Where is Nia? There she is! Woo! So Nia's had 2 bottles and breakfast, which was fruit this morning. So now she's settled, I'm just going to pop in front of Miss Rachel, and this is my time to get some of the cleaning done, as I can literally not concentrate for the day if the kitchen is in a state. So I sterilise all the bottles, I give the kitchen a little scrub, do a little bit of the laundry, just the usual daily stuff that you need to get done. God, does anyone else just find all of this repeated stuff just so draining being a mum though? Like, I wish I had a full-time cleaner. Like, that would literally be the dream. So I got given this clay handprint thing at my baby shower from one of my friends. So she is 6 months now, and I think that's such a milestone. So I thought, what a cute time to do her handprint. And I felt like she was just too young before to tolerate it. So we're just going to give it a go. Nia is a complete sass queen these days, doesn't really let me hold her hands, so this is going to be interesting. Is anyone else's babies like this? Any hand touching and she screams. Just going to moisturise her hands first, as that's what the instructions told me to do. I thought this would be a fun activity with you, and you're not really enjoying it, are you? Oh. Right. There we go. One done. Now give me this hand. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Ready? Oh, that's... Oh. I don't know if that's great, really. It's not deep. It's not very deep, but it'll have to do. So I just put Nia down for her nap, and I've got her on my camera. There she is, looking all cute. So I'll keep an eye out of her on my phone. Sorry, I didn't film myself putting her to sleep. Basically, I gave her another bottle of milk. I rocked her on the rocking chair in the bedroom, and then I put her in her cot. The reason I didn't film it is because my partner is on nights and he is asleep in there, so I didn't really want to intrude and film him in the background sleeping or whatever. Yeah, a bit weird. So I didn't film, I'm sorry. She is in a cot bed now, but she is still in our room. So we swapped the bedside next to me crib. We've got rid of that now, and we've got her cot bed in there, which was originally in her room. We just didn't really feel ready to start putting her in her own room yet. It just seemed too early. She's still getting up like sometimes twice in the night, so I just didn't feel comfortable. I wouldn't want her being awake on her own and rolling around everywhere in a cot in her own room. Yeah, a day will come where we'll feel comfortable, and then we'll move her in her room. But so what I'll do now, this is like the golden hour. Like, this is probably her longest nap in the day, as the second nap. Just done my hair and my makeup a little bit more, as you can see, because I'm going to film one of my videos, which I'm going to be releasing this week. So yeah, I'm just going to get on with that other video. Woo! So now I'm just going to prepare Nia's food. So I'm going to make some steamed broccoli for her. Right. Give me that a second. I'm going to take this cardigan off because I've learnt when you feed your baby to strip them naked, basically. Just getting a bit hangry. So I'm going to give her some raspberries just so she stops crying.
Yum, 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 yum. Oh gosh, spit it out. There we go.
Right. So while that broccoli is steaming, I'm going to give you some of this homemade puree that we made with spinach. I think it's spinach, sweet potato, and like some seasoning in it. So. You still don't know what to make of water, do you? So I'm actually surprised how much she ate in this sitting. So I'm feeling maybe feeding her just twice a day needs to be up to 3 times a day now. Because the girl clearly has a big appetite. Give me your hands. Thing is, I'm scared you're going to fall asleep. Yeah, let's give you a bath quickly first. Raincoat to bath my baby, but I need to wear these clothes to Slimming World in about an hour's time. So what we're going to do is we're going to get Nia ready. So bath, changed, brush her teeth, everything, bottle, and then I'm going to try and settle her in her pram before we get into Slimming World. So hopefully she sleeps. I won't have to, you know, go out if she's crying or unsettled or whatever, but it's the only way I can think of how to make this work by taking her, is in hope that she sleeps. But she is 6 months now and she just hardly sleeps as much as she used to, but hopefully usually around 7 o'clock she does go down to sleep, and she hasn't napped much today, so I'm hoping she will definitely go to sleep in the pram. I am wearing a raincoat, which seems a little bit extreme, I know. It's because you'll see why in a minute. She does not stop splashing. She's the splashiest baby in the world. She's been swimming with her dad a few times and she's learned the splash. So yeah, you'll see in a minute. And it's 'cause I need to wear these clothes. So I wouldn't normally. I'd normally just change into my pajamas after, but yeah. Go! Mummy doesn't want to get wet. I don't want to get wet. No! Splashy splash! Oh, splash splash! Oh my gosh. You're going crazy! Right, should we get you out? Baba. Ready? Oh, that was a big burp. Ready? You're finished.
Are we all ready for bed?
Are you ready for bed?
Oh! Should we have some milk? Milk! Let's have some milk. So Slimming World went on, which seemed like forever, and yeah, Nia didn't nap. I thought she would, but she didn't. I was just standing at the back, rocking her in her pram, hoping she slept, but she didn't. But there we go. Oh well. She was very settled though, bless her. I just put Miss Rachel on and she was chilled. But here she is, nice and sleepy in her bed. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to give me a subscribe or give this video a like if you love motherhood content, and I shall see you in the next one.